Hi all, myself Lakshmiputra. I am from Gulbarga and I have completed my BE Mechanical Engineering in the year of 2021. I have decided to enter into the networking field. So I joined Networkers Home to build my career in the networking field. I took a combo of CCNA and CCNP in the Networkers Home. Then I got the more knowledge about the CCNA, CCNP switching, routing. So here are all the staffs like trainers are all very supportive and motivative to gain the knowledge. They like offline or online, whatever the training you are going to take, they are really helpful. So they help a lot, and even though they have the lab facilities, and it's really good, and we can come and study at any time of the weeks on all the 7 days. They are supportive. They are conducting the communication skill classes and the interview classes, and they are also conducting the mock interviews to crack the interviews in other companies. It's really help for the cracking the interviews. And Networkers Home provides good placements, and they have also placed the many students in the good companies. I suggest people who are looking into the networking field, they can join Networkers Home to build their career in the networking field. Thank you, Networkers Home, building my career in networking.